Good morning, everyone. It is bright and early. We are heading to Magic Kingdom today to do early entry, lightning lanes, and see how much we can get done before lunchtime. Come join us. Coffee first. Then it's the usual morning scramble, packing that backpack, remembering not to forget the fans and waters because it is going to be a hot one today. Also remembering to pack the bubble wand, the vlogging gear, a tablet for emergencies. All this gets tossed into that bag. Once I'm ready, the stroller's set up and everything is packed for the day, it's time to get Leo dressed and out the door. Quick, efficient, and hopefully with minimal Leo negotiations. Okay, Leo, are you ready to go?
Yes.
We're ready to go.
You got your magic band?
I got my magic band, but the backpack is behind you. I forgot that. Let's not forget the backpack. Such a good helper. Little wider. There we go. It is 6:50. We made it out the room. We're in the elevator heading to the car. We're getting there. It was our first morning at Disney's All-Star Sports Resort, and on the way to the car, Leo spotted the playground. To avoid a meltdown, I negotiated a quick 15-minute play break. Luckily, we had the time. It is now 7 o'clock. We're going to head to the car, load it up, and get going to the Magic Kingdom. And here we go in the morning. We are here nice and early. Parking lot is empty. We have the front row. On our last trip, I had a really hard time finding our car. Come on. So, 2 things this time. We're using the car locator to make sure we can find it. And second, we got sunshades. Those sunshades serve more than just one purpose. Got it. Okay.
Wow.
To the park. Via either monorail or ferry. Monorail's closed this morning. It's not closed, it's just not running yet. But we are here kind of early, so we'll have to get the monorail next time on our way back to the car. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll catch the monorail on the way back to the car.
That's the last thing.
And we're gonna go on the ferry. That was so much fun last time.
Oh, just 4 things. You know, 4 lightning lanes.
Well, we've got 4 lightning lanes all ready to go for the morning.
It's not fast rides. It's only just roller coasters.
We do have a roller coaster.
But
We got 2 roller coaster lightning lanes.
actually, we can do,
Planning out our day
we can
from the 4-year-old.
We can.
Action! Ready, set, go.
This will be the one and only spot to check in for that early entry. Please make sure we have our entire party together. They will only need to scan 1 ticket per party.
Let's go scan. Thank you.
What?
Look down there.
There's water in it this time.
Oh, beautiful.
No water in the moat last time.
It's a lake.
Look at that.
See, Mom, we're jumping on it.
Oh, he's
Right here.
yes, Astro Orbiter. I'm just so excited about it. Let's do Buzz, People Mover, and then figure out our morning. No Astro Orbiter, please. I don't really like it. All right, now we are Astro Orbiter. Oh, save me. Leo, there's no line for Astro Orbiter. This is gonna be a good one to get on. All right, let's go. Let's go. It's 8:51 and we're getting on our second ride for early entry. 2 rides, 30 minutes, no waiting. Really not looking forward to this one.
Pull back on the control lever
We're
in front
ready.
of you.
I'm trying. Okay, I gotta get out of this thing. My head is spinning. Well, that was a great early entry. We got 2 rides, very little waiting. Astro Orbiter is a great one to do for early entry because there's no lightning lanes for it. And Buzz Lightyear's just gonna get longer and longer as the day goes on now that rope drop has happened. We are going to go get our first official lightning lane over at Adventureland and spend most of the morning over there. Let's check it out.
Okay, before we start our chaotic lightning lane dash, let's take one more peek at the lineup and ignore the fact that my hair has fully given up in this humidity. The plan is to sneak in an extra ride between each of these, either using lightning lanes or standby if we must. Now that we've cooled off and regrouped, it's time to make our way to Adventureland.
Quick side detour. We're gonna refill our popcorn bucket and then we're going to Adventureland.
We picked Magic Carpets of Aladdin for our first lightning lane because it had the earliest arrival window in Adventureland. And the earlier you scan in to that first lightning lane, the sooner you can grab the next one. So, as soon as we scanned in, I snagged Tiana's Bayou Adventure and somehow managed to squeeze it perfectly between Pirates of the Caribbean and Big Thunder Mountain.
First lightning lane done. Now we're heading over to Jungle Cruise. It did. It went from 5 to 10 like really quickly.
your day. I'll see you later. And if I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Welcome back. Watch your head, watch your step. Use a handrail. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
Was that fun? Yeah? Was he funny? We sat down, we discussed it a little bit. We were gonna do Pirates of the Caribbean twice this morning. Now, we are switching it up a bit. Leo wants to do Tiki Room and then Pirates. And then it's gonna be a really quick lightning lane after lightning lane. Let's go. Leo has been asking to do the Enchanted Tiki Room for quite a while now, so we're gonna do it earlier rather than later. Boy, this always makes me want to go to Hawaii. Calm, quiet, not have to wait in line for everything. But this has been great. Air conditioning. Oh my gosh, it is now 10:20. We've gone on 4 rides and 1 show. We've got 3 lightning lanes just stacked up. This is gonna go fast. Let's get going. Lightning lane number 2, check. That is why I do lightning lane. Are you excited about that drop?
Yeah. Me too. It's gonna be so much fun. Okay.
I know, I want to do it again too. There it is, the next one. 40-minute wait. Let's go find the lightning lane. It's over there. Go scan.
Here we go. Let's do it, and we'll get the dessert. Yes. Yeah, push that one.
Here we go. Looks like Utah. All the way to 13.
Train ride.
We're going on the train. We've been looking forward to this one.
Woo!
I got it. So, what do you think of Big Thunder Mountain?
I like it.
You do? Now, do you like it better than Seven Dwarfs Mine Train?
I like it less.
You like it less than Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Well, then I guess we saved the best for last because now we're going to lunch and then Seven Dwarfs. Let's go.
I used the 13 minutes we had waiting in line for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad to place our lunch mobile order. Now, instead of waiting in the standby line for another 20 minutes, we can pick up at our designated spot, which only took 2 minutes, and then start eating.
Fix my hair. Lovely hat hair. We're inside. I need a break from wearing that thing. This morning went by so fast. We're finally sitting down at 12 o'clock to get a bite to eat. I'm starving. I'm gonna devour those fries. These are amazing.
Leo's a quesadilla kid. No, you're not. I tried and tried to nudge our Seven Dwarfs Mine Train time up before lunch, but no luck. It's one of those classic, you get what you get and you don't get upset moments. Something I remind Leo of constantly. So even though this video is technically all about what we can get done before lunch, and we've already had lunch, I'm counting Mine Train as part of our morning lineup.
This is our last morning lightning lane. We've got a nice lineup for this afternoon and or evening. Hold on, Leo needs me. What? You can plug your ears. Yeah, Leo's plugging his ears. It's very loud in here.
I want to take a minute to give you a breakdown of our entire day, not just the morning, with using lightning lanes. So here we go. In the morning, we conquered 4 lightning lanes with our multipass and 1 single pass for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, which is an additional cost, but worth it. We did leave the park to go back to the hotel for an afternoon swim, which was so refreshing on this hot, hot day. And then we returned to Magic Kingdom around 5 o'clock. I didn't do a lot of filming in the evening because it was family time. However, before we exited the park for the afternoon, around 1 o'clock, I did line up 3 lightning lanes for our return in the evening and managed to snag 1 more to complete our day. That brings us to a total of 8 rides with our multipass. We spent $29 per person for the day, which breaks it down to about $3.60 per lightning lane. Now, back to finishing up our morning at Magic Kingdom.
Just 2?
Yep, just the 2.
Over here.
There we go, number 2.
Big spy.
Oh, yours lit up, mine didn't. Loud. What do you think?
It was nice and calm.
It was nice and calm. This is what Leo has asked for, a Rice Krispie treat. He is burnt out. He doesn't even want to get out of the stroller. Marshmallow. That is what I want right there. That's it. Today has been a great morning. We got our 2 rides in for the early entry, and we've got 4 lightning lanes and then 1 additional standby with Jungle Cruise and lunch, all by 12 o'clock. We hit our Leo's favorite ride in Magic Kingdom, and that's Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. It's been a good morning. Oh yes, and then we stopped at the confectioner's and got ourselves some treats. We're calling it a morning. That's it. See you next time.